Hello my loves and welcome to my channel. As you can see by today's title, this video is going to be a video of me putting on a full set of nails. I received these nails from a company called Loveful Nails. So if anyone is interested in any of these beautiful nails that I have or any others on their website, I will definitely put the link in the description bar below. So if you're interested in this video, please stick around and keep watching. So I purchased this deluxe nail profiler from Sally's Beauty Supply, and as you can tell, it has all of the different interchangeable heads that you can file your nails with and buff them. You can also get into your cuticles with no problems. So these are the products I'm going to be using in the video. You can use anything you like, but these are the things that I use, and these are the things that help me successfully complete my full set every time I do it. So these are the nails that I decided to use. They have like a Halloween theme, so I chose to use those. Please make sure you wash your hands so you can get rid of all the dirt and the oils. Washing your hands is a must if you want to have your nails last long. So this here is the longest part. I have to take out all the nails, match them all up to my fingers, make sure every finger fits, and I line them up in 2 rows, one for the right hand, one for the left hand. And I also have different designs in this pack, so I'm trying to figure out what design I want to do. I want each finger to be a different design, so I'm just going through all the nails, making sure I have 2 designs to each finger. So now I have the designs that I want on the fingers that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and start to prep my nails to get them ready for the full set. So here I'm just going ahead and pushing back my cuticles with this cuticle pusher here before I go ahead and do it with the nail drill. this is the easiest way for me because sometimes if I don't do it that way, it can be really painful with the nail drill trying to push it back. So I do this first before I go ahead and do it with the drill. So here I'm changing out the nail drill because the other one was a little painful for me. I just came from acrylic nails and my nails are still really sore and weak. So I did have to go ahead and change the other one to the smaller one, and this one is a little better anyway because it's a little pointier and it can get into the cuticles better. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm also going to file the actual nail with the same head because this one is a lot gentler than the other ones. The other ones are a little rough and my nails are very, very sore right now. So now I'm just going to take a little alcohol, put it on a cotton ball, and rub it all over my fingers to get the stuff off my fingernails, to get it nice and clean before I go ahead and put the glue down. I'm actually going to go ahead and clip my nails and file them again before I go ahead and put the nails down. You do want to actually go ahead and clip your nails because you don't want your nails to be too long and you don't want them too short. You want to actually leave a little bit of the white part of your nail so it can actually stick to the press-on. As I said earlier, I am going to go ahead again with the emery board and actually file my nails again one more time before I go ahead and lay the press-ons down, because this gives me a little more texture in the nail, and you want the texture. The texture is what's going to keep your nails lasting long. So here I have to file the bottom and the side of the nail because that was too big to fit my pinky, and the other ones were either too small or way too big for my pinky. So I had to file this down a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit so I could fit my finger, and once I filed it down, it fits perfect. So this is the Beauty Secrets nail glue that I love. I tried a lot of different nail glues, and to me this is the best one. This one gives me the best hold, and my nails always stay on for 2+ weeks. Sometimes I have to go ahead and actually remove my nails because they just won't come off. I absolutely love this glue. I tried the quick glue 30-second hold, and it doesn't last as long as this one. You can actually find this nail glue in Sally's Beauty Supply. This is a very good nail glue to use. Hey loves, get into these nails. I mean, they are very, very sturdy. I've had nails in the past and they were not this quality. The quality on these nails are amazing. They are very, very thick and sturdy. I can tell they're going to last a very, very long time. So make sure when you're putting your nails on, you're like really, really pressing down because you don't want any air bubbles in the nails. That leaves room for water to get up in there, and you don't want that because then you can get fungus under your nails, and you do not want to get fungus under your nails. So make sure you're just pressing down really, really hard for at least 15 to 20 seconds to make sure the glue is like set throughout the whole nail and your nail. So guys, my thumbs are the hardest to put on because my thumbs are very weak and the nails are like very, very, very short from the acrylic nails. I had to cut them down because they kept breaking. They're like paper thin. So I have to really press really, really hard on my thumbs for them to stay down. And once they dry, it lasts, but I mean, I have to like pretty much apply pain to press it down really hard for it to last long. Okay, love, so as you can see, the nails are completely done, and I absolutely love them. They are gorgeous, and they fit the theme for what I'm going for this weekend for Halloween. So I will leave the link in the description if you would like to purchase any of those nails that I have or any other ones. Don't forget to wait at least an hour before you wash your hands because you want to let the glue set in. Okay guys, so here's the nails in a different light. They're very pretty, very vibrant, and I absolutely love them. They almost feel like acrylic nails. That's how nice and sturdy these nails are. Again, the link will be in the description bar below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope everyone have a happy and safe Halloween, and I will see you guys in the next video.